I choose what to take with me. I put my food in the large container, which I can warm up with the help of my NEOVEN. I take the mini kettle with me so that I can heat water at any time and make my favorite coffee. Sometimes I want to drink a delicious cup of freshly squeezed juice or a smoothie, which is where the mini mixer comes in. In a small container, I can put fresh fruits or some salad. Well, that's it. NEOVEN is ready. Now I can go to work with an easy mind. Five minutes before lunchtime, I open the mobile app and start heating up my food. It takes 5 minutes for my food to get warm. Now, I don't have to stand in line or use a microwave. I just sit down at the table, take out my hot food, and enjoy the moment. Lunchtime has gotten enjoyable.
The Polder Countertop Composter offers both innovation and problem solving, allowing you to make rich soil while removing messy cleanups and wasteful plastic bags from the process. Turn kitchen scraps into organically rich soil with Polder's innovative kitchen countertop composter. With its simple-to-use, mess-free design, food scraps are temporarily stored on the kitchen counter in an elegant and sizable 1-gallon bin. Creating an environment for proper decomposition has never been easier. Simply rotate the lid and follow the indicator guide to gradually increase or decrease the air circulation. Ready to transfer to the larger outdoor composter? Grasp the wire rack with one hand while grabbing the tab on the bottom of the bin and push through to invert and empty the contents. When emptied, pull the bin back in and it's ready to be used again. The mess-free process keeps hands free from getting dirty or touching scraps. To clean, invert the empty bin and place under a running faucet to remove any excess particles. To clean the lid, simply twist counterclockwise to separate, then wash with soap and warm water as needed. For a deeper cleaning of the bin, simply unclip the silicone bucket from the wire frame, invert, and place on the top rack of the dishwasher. Easily turn food scraps and organic waste into rich compost with Polder's Kitchen Composter.